Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove faceplate from your ring doorbell. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is you first simply gonna go ahead, access your ring doorbell that is outside, and once you make sure you do have a screwdriver as well, which will come with the ring kit as well. So there are two types of ring doorbell. If you access this kind of one, the silver plate on top the doorbell is the faceplate for you. You're gonna go ahead on bottom of your doorbell, this a kind of a screw option you're gonna find, where you're gonna go ahead and use a screwdriver to take out the screw, and then you simply will be able to take out the particular faceplate of your ring doorbell. Just like that, you're simply gonna go ahead, pull it outwards, and just remove it from there. So that is also needed for you to remove your battery if you want to charge it as well. And for the battery, you can find this push button, push it, and the battery will simply fall onto your hand. You can take it out and charge it, and again attach it. And again, for your faceplate, you can simply reattach it and simply insert the screw below, and then you will be done. Once you have done, as I mentioned before, you do have two types of faceplates, including this one and this one. And for both of the faceplates, you just need to remove at the bottom screw, and then the outer part of the faceplate will be removed. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.